and welcome. Today's video is going to be the unboxing of our, wow, Rhonda, it was like my lips got glued shut or something. Try it again. Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for January 2020. Before we jump into the video, guys, if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name's Rhonda, better known as Hot Mess Mama MD, and here we embrace the hot mess. We pretty much run on nothing but caffeinated beverages, and it's a judgment-free zone. I can't stress that enough. I'm not a makeup artist, I'm a makeup enthusiast, where I like to sit back, chat, and play in makeup. I don't judge, and I hope you don't judge my blending skills or the lack thereof, because guys, at the end of the day, it's just makeup. It washes off. It's not that serious. So if you are coming here to troll the comment section, please remove yourself now, because we are about positivity here, none of you negative trolls. Okay. Anyways, if you're not a negative troll and you want to sit back, relax, and not take makeup too serious, I'd love to have you as part of our family, so make sure to stick around, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on, because I upload all the time. Pretty much at 12:15 Eastern Standard Time. I also have a second channel, Hot Mess Mama Vlogs, where it's even more random Rhonda rambles. Over there, I talk about keto and God only knows what else. So check my description box down below for that. And let's just go ahead and jump into the unboxing. Sassy pants are engaged, guys. I told you, 2020 was all about the sassy pants. Okay, guys, if you are new to Ipsy, what is Ipsy, you may be asking? Let me just tell you, it's a monthly subscription service where there's 3 different tiers. This tier is the second tier. It's $25 plus tax every single month, and you have full-size products included in your box. You always get a little makeup bag as well, and you will see that in here. Now, this video will go up. Later you will see me do Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter with Haley, where we actually put our bags up against each other. I'm forewarning y'all. You think I'm a talker and a rambler? Just wait till her and I get together and we film. We get like the most nasty comments in there, but like I said, it's a judgment-free zone where we like to have fun. So let's just go ahead and get into this unboxing, because your girl has a lot of thoughts. Definitely make sure to stay tuned, because I do actually put this Glam Bag Plus bag up against our BoxyCharm standard base box bag. So that was a mouthful. Okay, as always, you open it up and you have like a box full of things. I will tell you guys, the box is huge. They do offer add-ons, so I did choose 2 add-ons. Actually, before I actually jump into this, I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to our Patreon family. If you guys don't know, I do have a Patreon page and a link in my description box where you guys can go and make donations. As always, all donations go right back into the channel for content for you guys, but our Patreons get first dibs on videos, so they've already seen this unboxing. So now we'll get into the actual unboxing here. As always, we always get a postcard. Typically, last month they forgot to put mine in here, but it just gives you like little tidbits here and there, nothing like I get excited about. On the inside, you do have a little detailed information about each item that is in your box and the retail value of it. Now, like I said, we did have the option to do add-ons. I did decide to add 2 things in here that were not part of the subscription. Now, with this subscription, you're supposed to get the option to pick one of the items that are going into your box. Again, I'll try and remember to talk about that later. The 2 add-ons that I did choose this month were each $12 a piece. This one being the Huda Beauty Emerald Obsessions palette. And I do want to show you guys this because I thought it was so pretty. It does have a retail value of like $27, but I just thought that that palette was absolutely gorgeous and definitely something that I wanted in my collection. And for 12 bucks, crazy affordable, and why not, you know? The next item, I still need to try this brand out, but Haley always raves about how amazing the Thrive mascara is, and actually you guys have told me the same. I know Kathleen Lights talks about it a lot. It's supposed to be like one of the best tubing mascaras, and like I said, it was $12, so I went ahead and added that in. Okay, so the first item in my box was this cute little handy dandy purse, satchel, makeup holder, doohickey bag. Wow. First video of the day, guys. Can you tell? So I thought this was cute. I do like the little pink detail because I love, as you guys know, anything pink. And it is a good size to like just throw into your purse or what have you. So the first actual makeup item that I did receive is this Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions palette. Now again, like I said, this was part of what was in my actual Glam Bag Plus. So this is what the inside of the palette looks like, and I will say, you guys know I have been reaching out more and more and more as far as colors go, and I absolutely love this color scheme. I've been really leaning towards berries and greens. So the more I'm embracing colors and the fact that I'm 41 years old and I'm gonna do what I want, there's no rules to makeup, and if you say there are, then we can't be friends, so bye. But makeup is about having fun. It's about expressing yourself, and at the end of the day, like I always tell you guys, it washes off. It's not that serious. So really excited to have this part of my collection now. And like I said, they say it has a retail value of $27. This box is $25 plus tax. Now the next two items are actually items that are sold as a pair. This is the Space Case Cosmetics, and these are two highlighters in the shades 1C and 1B. So let me go ahead, open these up, and swatch them for you guys. They do have a retail value of $18, and that is purchasing them together, so that would be $9 a piece. Let me take off the lids. This is what they look like up close. I'm definitely going to swatch them for you guys. Like I said, I've already done a dedicated video for my Patreon family, as well as Haley and I have already filmed our video. They're really pretty. They're really stunning. They are like melty. They just like melt right into the skin. I mean, that's gonna give you two different colors, but I don't care. I don't care. So really pretty, and I'm not mad about it. They have like more of a ColourPop Super Shock Shadow consistency, and almost like a cooling. I don't know. I don't even feel like they go into a powder though. They're just gorgeous. So anyways, I'm definitely not salty about it. Okay, so the next item I got is the Nature's Cartel, and this is a lipstick that has a retail value of $15. Now, this is what, let me put the lid back on. This is what it looks like as far as the container goes. It's cute, it's simple, and let me swatch it for you. It has a 90s Nostalgia is the name of it. Now it looks like it's going to be thick, but I can tell you guys that is like many coats of it. When you actually apply it to the lip, it's like a really nice lightweight natural lip balm texture type of lipstick, and I'm not mad about it. I mean, I wouldn't pay $15 for it, but it is actually pretty and it was comfortable. Now the next item I actually did not like, and I gave it to Haley, and this is the Sugar Cosmetics Wingman Waterproof Eyeliner in 01 Albi Black, and it has a retail value of $11.99. And that's the picture of it right here. She wanted to go ahead and keep it because it was a felt tipped eyeliner, and I don't really use stuff like that. Ever. So she went ahead and kept it. And then the last item that I did receive is by Purlisse, and this is the Blue Lotus 4-in-1 I Adore Serum with a retail value of $58. A little bit about this one, because I have been kind of bad about not reading you guys the description. It says your under eyes are delicate, so the serum is designed to handle them with care. The 4-in-1 formula contains plant-based powerhouses, and it gives you like a whole bunch of stuff that's in here, such as French marine plants, soy proteins, and vitamin E to target fine lines, crow's feet, dark circles, and puffiness. It does give you a tip: concealing creasing. Apply the serum underneath to lead an extra life to your coverage and minimize fine lines, giving your under eyes a brighter, tighter appearance. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. When Haley and I filmed our video, which you guys will see, I hadn't had much sleep and I was a little grumpy, and I feel like I was a little extra sensitive. With that being said, would this box for $25 be the best box that I've ever seen with Ipsy? I mean, no. I kind of feel like I'm seeing, especially like, I feel like I'm seeing a lot of repeats when it comes to Ipsy. I don't think this is a bad box, guys. But I do feel like instead of seeing new brands, new items, I just, like I said, I feel like it's a lot of repetition. And even though I will use all of these products that I ended up keeping, minus that eyeliner, I just want to see Ipsy kind of step out and start showing us more brands and more companies. And like, my biggest thing is the fact that, you know, I got this for $12 and the retail value of this box, they told me, is $129.99. But mind you, one of the items I got in here was an item I could have added on for $12. And the crazy part about it was, like I said, I was going to touch base on, we get to add, or no, we get to choose an item that we're going to be receiving. And I said multiple times in mine and Haley's video with my Patreons, I know I saw that email and I'm like 99.999% sure that I chose when I could pick because I was all excited about it. But none of this stuff was anything whatsoever that I recall picking. None of it. So I'm kind of like, what's going on? Like, this doesn't make sense. So I don't know. I just feel like, and you guys will see it in my Boxy versus Ipsy video, which I'm going to film right after this video. I don't know. I just feel like there's other subscriptions out there. One being Trendmood that I can't get my hands on to save my life. I even jumped on the website like 4 minutes before it was supposed to go live and it was already sold out. I'm like, how is that possible? You weren't supposed to go live until 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time and it's sold out at 12:58. Ugh. So honestly, if I could get my hands on the Trendmood box, I would do that and get rid of this. I'm just saying, that's where my head is right now. So anyways, guys, let me know your thoughts. Do you get any other subscription boxes that you would recommend? I was unboxing the Fashionista box, but I actually just went ahead and let it go because, one, I wasn't getting it within a good amount of time to be able to get a video up to you guys. Two, it wasn't knocking my socks off, and that's kind of what I'm looking for when I get a subscription box, because I want to get excited over the products that I got in here, you know. And like I said, I will use these products, and it's one of those things that when you sign up for a subscription, you kind of have to have an open mind, knowing that, you know, you may not use all of the products in here. But what I found I was doing with the Fashionista box is, again, that was something that I was taking from our Patreon donations and purchasing to have content over here on the channel, and they got early access to that. And I started noticing that a lot of the items I was getting in those Fashionista boxes were not ones that I would even pretty much use because I already had it in my collection, if that makes sense. So I did a lot of giveaways with them, or gifting, I should say, with them. So I don't know. So if you have any boxes other than, I know Trendmood, but Mama can't get her hands on Trendmood's box to save her soul. Ugh. And here's the thing, it's Monday when I'm filming this. I don't know which day you guys are going to see this, and I'm like, don't let that set my day. It's going to be a fabulous week. It's going to be a fabulous week. We're going to do Law of Attraction, Mind Over Matter. You got this, sis. There's always next month. That's what I keep telling myself. Anyways, yeah. Side note, on top of that, apparently it goes early, like 10 minutes early, the Trendmood boxes. So note to anybody else that is trying to get them, I'm just kind of over that. I did that whole, I did that whole like obsession compulsion with the Jeffree Star, Shane Dawson. I'm like, I can't do that again. This anxiety-ridden girl does not need to be chugging magnesium in order to try and get something. It's not that serious. It's just makeup product. Listen to yourself. Okay, I made the video much longer than it needed to be, but that's what I do. You know how it is, new year, real me. I'm keeping it real. I'm doing less editing. I'm having more of me up here for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video enough to give me a big thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy the video, keep it simple, thumbs it down. We don't need a nasty comment. Just give me a thumbs down and walk away. It's that easy. Classy, never trashy. Am I right? Anyways, guys, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And until next time, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah! Bye. Okay, guys, so I've been trying to practice. I've been trying to do what all the cool kids here on TikTok have been doing. I don't care that I'm 41 years old. I was trying to do like that renegade where you pop it, lock it, drop it, jerk it, whatever. Well, turns out that I will throw my back out and hurt my neck, and then I'll be out of commission for a few days, and we can't have that. Mom life, you know what I'm saying? So let me show you guys what I was able to actually, that I can do without hurting myself. Here we go. Okay, you guys ready? Okay, you're not ready for this. That's what I can do without hurting myself. Welcome to your 40s. Love that for me.